Spinach. When selecting our spinach, we want the leaves to be fresh and vibrant with no wilting or slime on the surface. First things first is to remove the stems. We really want to use only the leaves. Now we can pick out some whole leaves as well as some smaller ones, which are great to use for garnishing. Next, I'll add my spinach to a salad spinner and wash thoroughly. Here's our washed leaves. Now we'll begin to spin. As you can see, a ton of water has been removed, so we'll toss this and then spin once more. Next, if you want to chop your spinach, you'll want to bunch them up with your fingers like so. We can then slice them as thin or thick as we would like. We can also give it a quick haché. And there's our chopped spinach. You can now use this in a lasagna or in a Greek spanakopita. And that is how you break down spinach.